Hello guys, welcome to my channel Clashing with Ashu. Today let's try something new. I'm thinking how about we try something breaking some of the walls. We can get that right. We can get that. Okay, here we are. Now let's just install the library. Upgrade it to the maximum. Okay, now we need wall breaking stuff. So dark spell factory, upgrade it. We unlocked earthquake spell. So today we are going to try the earthquake spell, how it destroys maximum level walls. Okay, if you want this server with unlimited gold, unlimited gems, you can follow my channel, subscribe it, and watch another video where I taught how to get those. Okay, now let's just prepare some more. Let's just say 1000 of it. Prepare somewhat 1000 spells. Okay, I have 1000 level 4 earthquake spells. Now let's just go on a base full of walls and see how many spells I'm gonna require to break everything. Okay, here it is. You can see over here these 11 level 12 walls. I have earthquake spell. Let's see what harm does it do. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and on 4 it breaks. Okay, how many spells I'm gonna need? Let's break everything. Subscribe to my channel. Everyday new videos are uploaded. You can enjoy yourself over here. Okay, I got 2 stars on wall breaking achievement. Okay, let's break the town hall first. Yo, we break it. Okay, let my king do some of the work. We will leave my king over here. Okay, he generated some of the barbarians, I guess. Okay, let us continue breaking the wall. Let us make a way for our king. Here it goes. Okay, break everything. For king, we have to break that little house. So that, okay, it takes a lot of earthquake spells to break that town hall. Okay. Oh, that's not fair. I just ended up. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, now I'm gonna spend the whole earthquake thing. Let's break. Let's break everything. Let's leave nothing, not even one stone. It is rightly said that 4 earthquake spells can break everything, and we have a bunch full of it in our hand. Let's break everything. Okay, here's one left. Okay, I broke it. Okay. We broke everything, almost everything. Okay, that's a lot of spells. I require a lot of spells to break all those, I guess. Some of these are just waste, I guess. just wasting it as I have a lot of them. Hope you are enjoying this satisfying videos. Yo, we destroyed almost everything. Now let's see how many spells does it require to break the town hall. Okay, it does require a lot. The town hall's not even breaking. Okay, break it, break it, break it, break it, break it. Okay, it's taking a lot. The wall cannot resist 4 of the spells, but Town Hall is resisting a lot. Seriously, a lot of spells. Okay. I think I have wasted around 200 of the spells on the Town Hall, but it's working like it has nothing on it. Okay, now let my king handle it. I Okay, I left my king on it, and here it breaks it within 3 shots. Thank you guys. Hope you come soon.